In a world where technology knows no bounds, a thrilling opportunity is soaring high above the horizon. Imagine a realm where you can explore uncharted territories, capture breathtaking vistas, and embrace the future of innovation, all with a device that fits in the palm of your hand. Introducing you to the captivating world of drones and why investing in this cutting-edge technology is your passport to excitement and financial potential. Whether you're a novice seeking your first taste of drone flight or a budding entrepreneur ready to embark on a thrilling business venture, this video is your ultimate guide to spreading your wings and soaring into the drone revolution. Get ready to unlock the skies for your drone adventure awaits. The rise of drones, where imagination takes flight. Imagine a world where the sky is no longer the limit, where innovation sprouts wings and takes flight. In this electrifying era of technology, drones have emerged as the quintessential embodiment of limitless possibilities. From humble beginnings to conquering the heavens, the ascent of drones is a story as thrilling as the heights they can reach. Delve into the mesmerizing journey of drones, charting their meteoric rise from mere novelties to indispensable tools across various industries. Picture this: drones hovering above, capturing awe-inspiring images, delivering packages to your doorstep, and even aiding in life-saving missions. Their ubiquity is a testament to their potential, and the best part, we're just scratching the surface. Types of drones, your passport to a world of diverse possibilities. Drones come in a dazzling array of types, each designed for a unique purpose and offering a ticket to a world of diverse possibilities. Picture a futuristic catalog where you can choose your flying companion based on your wildest dreams and needs. Recreational drones. These are your entry point to adventure, perfect for beginners looking to explore the skies. They're easy to maneuver and equipped with features for enjoyable flight. Consumer drones, the sweet spot for hobbyists and enthusiasts. These drones offer more advanced features, including high-quality cameras for capturing stunning photos and videos. Professional drones. If you're considering drone technology as a career move, these drones are your best bet. They're designed for tasks like aerial photography, surveying, and even cinematic filmmaking. Racing drones. For the adrenaline junkies among us, racing drones are built for speed and excitement. Compete in thrilling races and hone your piloting skills. Specialized drones. These drones are customized for specific industries, such as agriculture or search and rescue. They demonstrate how drones are revolutionizing various sectors. The world of drones is akin to a treasure trove, where each type holds the key to unlocking a unique adventure. Benefits of investing in drones soar beyond the ordinary. Investing in drone technology is not just about acquiring a gadget. It's about venturing into a world where the extraordinary becomes the norm. Here, we unveil the myriad of advantages awaiting those who dare to take the plunge into the thrilling realm of drone investments. Financial potential. The first benefit that comes to mind is the enticing prospect of financial gains. Drones have disrupted industries and are creating opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors alike. Imagine your investment soaring with the technology as its wings. Personal enjoyment. But it's not all about profit margins. Investing in drones offers a unique blend of excitement and personal satisfaction. Picture yourself capturing panoramic landscapes from the skies or competing in high-speed drone races. It's an adventure like no other. Endless opportunities. Drones are versatile tools with applications across a wide range of industries. Whether you're passionate about photography, agriculture, or search and rescue, investing in drones opens doors to endless opportunities for innovation and contribution. Innovation playground. Drones are not static. They're at the forefront of innovation. As a drone investor, you become part of an ever-evolving ecosystem, where groundbreaking advancements and possibilities unfold before your eyes. Adventure awaits. Above all, investing in drone technology is an invitation to adventure. It's a ticket to explore, create, and experience the world from a unique perspective. It's about defying gravity and embracing the future of technology with open arms. The benefits are not merely practical, they're an exhilarating promise of what's to come. Getting started as a drone investor, launching your aerial adventure. Now that the prospect of diving into the world of drones has your heart racing, it's time to take action. We'll guide you through the exhilarating process of becoming a drone investor and turning your dreams into reality. Budget considerations. First things first, you need to set your financial compass. We'll help you navigate the waters of budgeting, ensuring that your investment aligns with your financial goals. Affordable entry. Don't be daunted by the perception that drone investments are only for the deep-pocketed. We'll reveal affordable entry options that will have you soaring into the skies without breaking the bank. Navigating regulations. Drones come with rules and regulations, but they're not as daunting as they seem. We'll demystify the legal aspects, helping you obtain the necessary licenses and permissions. Investor mindset. Becoming a drone investor is not just about buying a device, it's about adopting an investor mindset. We'll share tips and strategies to help you make informed decisions and maximize your returns. Seize the moment. The drone industry is in a state of constant evolution. We'll show you how to seize the moment and position yourself for success as a drone investor, from staying updated on industry trends to identifying emerging opportunities. Becoming a drone investor is akin to preparing for an epic journey. Choosing the right drone, your gateway to high-flying adventures. Now that you're on the path to becoming a drone enthusiast and investor, it's time to select the perfect flying companion. We'll help you navigate the exciting process of choosing the right drone to match your aspirations and needs. Your co-pilot. Think of your drone as your trusted co-pilot in the thrilling journey ahead. We'll explore the key factors to consider, ensuring you find the perfect match for your flying ambitions. Camera quality. If capturing stunning aerial photos and videos is your goal, we'll delve into the world of camera specs and features that will elevate your photography to new heights. Flight time and range. Every adventure needs endurance, and drones are no exception. Discover how to select a drone with the flight time and range that aligns with your exploration plans. Ease of use. Whether you're a rookie or a seasoned pilot, we'll guide you toward user-friendly drones that ensure a smooth takeoff on your drone adventure. Exciting features and accessories. Brace yourself for a world of exciting extras. From obstacle avoidance systems to virtual reality headsets, we'll unveil the accessories that can enhance your drone experience. Choosing the right drone is like picking the ideal vehicle for a cross-country road trip. It's your ticket to breathtaking adventures. Learning to fly, unleash your inner drone Maverick. Now that you've chosen your winged partner, it's time to embark on the thrilling journey of learning to fly. We'll guide you through the exhilarating process of mastering the art of drone piloting. The first takeoff, your inaugural flight, is akin to a momentous liftoff into uncharted skies. We'll provide essential tips to ensure your maiden voyage is a soaring success. Safety first. Every great pilot knows that safety is paramount. We'll discuss the importance of responsible drone operation, including understanding airspace regulations and safety precautions. Training resources. From online courses to local drone clubs, we'll uncover the plethora of resources available to help you build your skills and confidence as a drone maverick. Piloting techniques. Flying a drone is not just about getting it off the ground. It's about mastering aerial maneuvers and capturing stunning shots. We'll share techniques to help you become a skilled pilot and photographer. Learning to fly a drone is more than a skill. It's an art form that opens the doors to endless possibilities. The future of drone technology, where boundaries disappear. As you journey deeper into the thrilling world of drones, it's essential to cast your gaze toward the horizon of possibilities. We'll unveil the awe-inspiring landscape of what lies ahead in the dynamic realm of drone technology. Advancements on the horizon. The future of drone technology is not static, it's a breathtakingly dynamic arena of innovation. Explore the forthcoming advancements that promise to reshape the way we interact with drones and the world around us. Industry transformations. Drones are not just gadgets, they're disruptors. We'll paint a vivid picture of how drones are poised to revolutionize industries as diverse as healthcare, transportation, and urban planning. The human-drone connection. Prepare to be amazed by the evolving relationship between humans and drones. From AI-powered autonomous drones to enhanced user interfaces, the future promises seamless interactions and new frontiers of exploration. Limitless possibilities. The boundaries of what drones can achieve are boundless. We'll inspire you with stories of daring innovators and their audacious visions, showcasing how drones are pushing the limits of what's possible. Your role in the future. As a drone enthusiast and investor, you're not just a spectator, you're a participant in shaping the future. We'll encourage you to embrace the excitement of being part of an ever-evolving revolution. The future of drone technology is a canvas waiting for bold strokes of innovation and imagination. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our future content. Also, click the notification bell to stay updated. If you had any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.